Today we're going to take a look at 3 stocks I've been quite successful with. First one is Walmart. I'm using my Trading 212 app where I purchased and sold them. You go to history, and we initially bought them on the 8th of February 2021, £500 worth, and you can see we had some nice dividends on the way. 161, 156, 160, 164 and so forth up to the 7th of September. Then I sold my holding on the 8th of November 22 and I got just under £490. No, sorry, £580, so I was up £80 and had some nice dividends on the way. The next one stock I did quite well on was Phillips 66, oil-based company. Go to history, and this is a not a quick turnaround, but within a year. I bought £249.99 worth, which is £250 as near as damn it. I've had some nice dividends on the way. That's October 21 I purchased these, and we had some dividends every quarter of £2.72, £3, £3.31. Last dividend was in September, and I sold them for £423. So from £250 to £423 on the 8th of November. So in just over a year, we've gone from 249 to 423. There's a nice little profit there. And the last one was NRG Energy. This is an energy company, and we go to history. I bought these on the 1st of March 21 and I paid £500. So I had some nice dividends on the way, 3.19, 3.32, 3.37 and so forth. Last dividend was August, that was 4.06, and I sold my holding for 647.30, and I purchased them for £500, so I was up £147.13. So all of these stocks I've done my research on, and I found it was time to sell them because there was very little more room for them to increase. NRG Energy, I was up 29%, predicted upside is 2.7%, so I was going to sell. Phillips 66, I was up 69%, predicted upside is 2.9%, so I decided to sell. And the last one was Walmart. I was up 17%, predicted upside was 6.8%, so I sold. And the idea of selling these was that I invested in another company, and that is, I will show you on my app, that was Global Ship Lease. They've had a predicted good upside. I have actually invested in them before, but if we look at the history, I did have a position in them before. Back in April 2021, I bought £500 worth. In June 21, I bought £200 worth, had some nice dividends. Then I sold and took a profit in June 21. I took a quick profit there. Then September 21, I had more dividends, because I may not have sold the full amount. I sold my final holding for 170 and 127, and I've just recently bought £1,502 worth and £172 worth. So that's where I am now, and that was quite recent I made that purchase. And at the moment my holding is I'm down at the moment, £19. That's no problem, but they do pay a good dividend of 7.8%, and they have got a good predicted upside. So That was a quick manoeuvre, sell 3 shares and get into global ship lease while the price was down, and I'm looking for a good upside on that one as predicted by analysts, and a good dividend on the way. Global Ship Lease, I'll tell you what they do as a company if you are interested. Global Ship Lease Incorporated is engaged in owning and chartering out container ships to liner companies. The company owns a fleet of mid-sized and smaller container ships which it charters out under fixed rate charters to where we go. The company fleet consists of approximately 65 mid-sized and smaller container ships ranging from 1,118 to 11,000 20-foot equivalent unit. That's the number of containers they hold per ship. Different size ships, and it says here Global Ship Lease Investments Holdings and Global Ship Lease, among others, the names of their companies. So that is Global Ship Lease. I have opened a position up of £1,652. I own just over 107 shares. I recently made this purchase after selling or closing a position in 3 companies, and as you can see, I bought these on the 8th of November 2022, and today's date is the 15th of November. So that is where we are at the moment. Just a brief update that in these times you can still turn a profit as long as you do your research, take your time, don't panic, and apply a bit of logic to things, but don't get too attached to any stock. Come out when there's a chance of a profit, then go back in or buy other stocks. So that is today's update. Until next time, I bid you all a successful investing adventure.